Mya, Go and Sammy are tucked up warm and cozy in their beds.
And Captain Orangebeard and the other brave pirates set sail once again in search of treasure. The end.
The Brave Pirate is my favorite book ever.
I wouldn't have guessed. We've only read it about 50 times.
That's not nearly enough. I want to read it 100 times or 1,000.
And I'm sure we will.
When I grow up, I want to be a pirate. Arr! And sail the seas as well.
I think you'd make a wonderful pirate.
I would be very brave, too. Land ahoy!
Okay, time for bed now. Even pirates need to sleep. Night-night.
Oh, that's a big yawn, Sammy.
Night-night.
I'm feeling sleepy myself now.